Nakaliang Vice Chancellor Jongka School ba Northeastern Hill University Nehu u Professor P.S. Shukla ulaong baka jingthong ya Rohit Prasad kong Technical Officer kom Senior Consultant kadai kabalale hadian balashim ya ka jingmanjor da ka Executive Committee EC ka University. Habakren Shakilat Pathai Khubor hakasaw tarik naiwing u Professor Prabha Shankar Shukla ula kenta ya gajing dawa ka JSC da ka baong bakam syamladan kano ka jingthong kambean namar u VC udon ya ka bor bantung syupor nak benta baro ki Group A Group B post katkum ki kendon an ki bayade ber ka jing trekam. Bat ka jingthong ya Rohit Prasad kam de ka kam permanent bat ba ka ne ka jing dawa jong ka JSC ka de ka baklem nongrim. Ha kabaya day berkene kaman ulaong ulong ru ubakloy ban khot ya ka JSC syaka jinyakran. Nalor kata ulaong ru ba on amla ban wengkam no ya Rohit klem kanu ka daw ka babyang bat lada ka JSC kala shisha ban kedaw ki daw ki basyong nongrem kadai ban ujor da ka ba kedaw syai halor ki daw. Kani ke jingpen pau jong VC kalawan long ru shisngi hadian baka Joint Action Committee ka bakuntop ya ka nehuta nehusa bat nehusu kila aipor shiphosingi ban wengkam no ya uprasan. Nakaliang ka JSC kaladawa ru bakatulop balasiw siya uprasan dayban siw na kijingyo jong VC bat om na po ka account jong ka university. Nakaliang VC ulaong baka jingthong ya Rohit Prasad da ka contract nagbantalay banay bat ka jingla bantung biang ka syong ka jingla trekam jongki. Bat syua bantung lakhot ya ki application henry om dan batem kumta namar ka jingdan kam kerki ka kam latung contract no ya u officer bakerpang. Kama syua ngila thung ya ka post nong hikai mentangin thung sah ki post non teaching hadu ubenai no pra ne kalalingkot uban wan. Ngadang don ru ya ka bor ban penrung hakakam finance officer university engineers bat ru na ka benta ka kam registrar jong ka university ong shushu UVC jong ka school ba.
As a Vice Chancellor, Northeastern Hill University, Shillong, Meghalaya, I am continuously doing the work to retain and regain the status of the NEHU. In 2022-23, implemented the new education policy for the PG students. In between, we have also even discussed to implement the new education policy for the UG in the next or coming academic sessions, and we already taken all the kinds of the even approval from the different bodies, and I have also the even report. If media want to see, he can see. After the implementation of the new education policy, some organizations, I'm not going to read the name of any organization, even started the agitation against the implementation of the new education policy. In the last press conference, I clearly mentioned that the new education policy is in favor of our young generation, and more than 90% universities of the country implemented the new education policy. Why we not? Another thing is, even the organization also raised the question if the new education policies are not in favor of our young generation, and all of you know what is already happened in the past. So I don't even like to discuss in detail about the past, but after the implementation of the new education policy, even the organization commonly known as the NOTA, I can say the joint organization of the JC, again even make a group and started shouting again the Vice Chancellor. The Vice Chancellor already have appointed Mr. Rohit Prasad in very wrong manner without any advertisement and other things. I would like to show that all of you are, this is the act of the university. I'm just going to read the lines of the act. I'm not going to mention anything other than the act. In the act, page number 9, the Vice Chancellor. The first point, the Vice Chancellor shall be appointed by the visitor in such manner as may be prescribed by the statutes. Already done. Second point, The Vice Chancellor shall be the principal, executive and academic officer of the university and shall exercise general supervision and control over the affairs of the university and give effect to the decision of all the authorities of the university. And third, that is very important point, the Vice Chancellor may, if he is of opinion that immediate action is necessary on any matter, exercise any powers conferred on any authority of the university by or under this act, and shall report to such study the action taken by him on such matter. Under this, after the implementation of the new education policy, some person is required to look the new initiatives. But without new initiative, there is no meaning of the new education policy. Started the recruiting of the new faculty members. In between, under the power of the Vice Chancellor, put a agenda in the Executive Council. This is the agenda. And taken the approval from the Executive Council. And Executive Council clearly given the approval. The committee apprised the council that senior consultant technical officer with IT background, clearly mentioned here, IT background is required in the office of the Vice Chancellor and may be engaged on contractual basis with the payment of monthly remuneration below or less than 1 lakh rupees. I already taken the approval from the Executive Council. After that, even discussed my some friend, Mr. Rohit Prasad, before joining the Northeastern Hill University. He was the technical advisor of Director IIT Roorkee. I think all of you are well aware about the position of the director of the Roorkee, and you can also assume that the work has been already done by the Rohit Prasad with their director. That's why on the contractual basis, Vice Chancellor appointed Rohit as a technical advisor, and the power of appointment of the technical advisor is also given. This is appointing authority. Appointing authority, the appointing authority in respect of various posts in the university shall be as under. The Executive Council, permanent appointment, all group of A position. Vice Chancellor, permanent appointment to all group position, group B post, and temporary appointment to all A group and B group. Under this rule, taken a decision to appoint the Rohit Prasad as a consultant of the university. Belong to my area, not belong to my caste, even not belong to my subject. I am a professor, agriculture professor. I also have a student. But why I selected Mr. Rohit Prasad? He already had the knowledge of the IIT and also served as a consultant with the director of the IIT. That's why contractual appointment given to Mr. Rohit Prasad. And after the joining, Mr. Rohit Prasad already did and taken the several initiatives. I can give you some proofs. This is the proof. One proof might be all of you are well aware. Conduction of the Rozgar Mela first time in the campus of the NEHU with the help of the students. Second thing is he also created the 5 groups. One group is students are working the technical groups. 72 plus student member of this group. Media group. Nehu also need the media group. How to even connect the media? How to even encourage our student to have towards the media. 22 plus entrepreneurship group. 29 and also the eco-friendly group about the nature, environmental condition and others. More than जो है 24 and then with the help of the career and counseling cell placement group जो है faculty, students and staffs and total 240 students of the NEHU are working in the group of the जो है Mr. One more thing I would like to mention here. After the constitution of the different group, the technical group already made it two unique type of one app for the NEHU called the NEHU app, and after 10 to 15 days, all of you will be in position to download the NEHU app. And second thing, this group developed a online system for the colleges of the NEHU. We have more than 83 affiliated colleges, and our students are facing the problem. Different kind of problems for their mark sheet, some even their marks and other examinations problem. With this portal, NEHU will be in position to solve their problem online. And both the things, app and portal, are output of this group. And who is the mentor? Mr. Rohit Prasad. This is a contribution. And third thing, don't like to mention today, but after a month, I can say that NEHU will be in position to provide a 5G facility to our students. This is one of the unique things among the central universities of the country. You clearly mention and read the powers of the Vice Chancellor with this act. Everything is already clarified. And everything is already mentioned in the script. This is not my voice. Already clearly read the powers of the Vice Chancellor, which is already mentioned in the act of the NEHU. This is not my wording. This is a wording of the second, the Vice Chancellor may, if he is of opinion that immediate action is necessary, that's why I raised this question in the Academic Council. This is not a decision of only the Academic Council. This is only the Vice Chancellor. This is a decision of the Executive Council. Taken the approval from the, already showed the paper, taken the approval from the Academic Council.
Executive.
Taken the approval from the Executive Council. And after taking the approval, then Vice Chancellor taken decision. Directly, this is not a decision of the only the Vice Chancellor. Like the university, that why it has been already mentioned here. Take a decision. And the work performed by the Mr. Rohit Prasad is already visible in front of the media and also in front of the student.
So
I think media will know. Any occasion can terminate anyone immediately. I am saying to you immediately you have even terminate him. Can any administration do this without any allegation? It is not so also raising any kind of allegation, just saying immediately terminate the Rohit Prasad. Right? There may be some allegation, no? I had even shown the things what already did by the without any allegation, any paper, any जो है proof, how any administrator or any person are in position to terminate anyone, either contractual or the regular. But there is a procedure now. Yes, if you have any allegation, you can raise the allegation. We will constitute a committee. Accordingly, I am ready to take the decision to terminate the level consultants. The recruitment of the non-faculty members, we already did and approved within or before the 10th of the November, going to publish in the paper.
Published, already published.
Already?
Advertisements are out.
Advertisement is already out. Just like my PRO update, the advertisement is already even out.
Non-teaching.
Non-teaching staff, 155,
150 plus.
हाँ 150 प्लस जो है पोजीशंस. तो अर्लियर given जो appointed the teachers position, secondly going to appoint the जो है non-teaching position. तो step by step and in between, I hope कि till the December or month of the जो है January, I will be in position to also recruit the finance officer, university engineer, as well as the registrar of the university. But as an academician, as I experience and learn from the NEHU are also facing the problems of the teachers. That's why first step taken to recruit the teaching faculties to be our students directly will be benefited with this recruitment. So one thing, with the help of the press and media, would like to say that why our teacher is against the conduction of the academic council meeting. If we are not able to conduct the meeting, definitely in the coming semester or conduction of the examination, our students will be the sufferer. That's why I am not in favor of any organization who is opposing the academic council. As you already know, which is already held on the 31st of the October. Again, I am always ready to discuss anything. I don't have any kind of wish to discuss anyone. But if they are going to raise or fix any kind of a compulsion, if you are not going to do this, I am not going to discuss with you. This should not be. Conversation should be the continue between the administrator and any organizations. Just like another thing would like to mention, you just see the language were mentioned and written by the president of the Teachers Association. This should be the language. Hi, the NEHUTA EC is not keen to meet the BC anymore on this issue. This is the mail of the letter. This should not be. Maybe there are some differences between the organization and this one. Come forward, sit together and discuss the matter on the basis of the Act, Statute and regulations. Yes, I am also agree. If I am even not in position to take the decision, definitely ready to take the help from the teachers and also the non-teaching staffs. But first come forward, discuss on the matter and take or help to take a amicable decision in the favor of our young generation. This is my objective, and continuously every day all of you are witness, even you can say, expending more than 10 hours in my office to retain and regain the past glory